already, but I really want to get the bones for this. Good, my pick too. It's just a commercial for that part.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with Roll Airlines. Please fold your trays up into the safety up position. Attach your seatbelts. Stow away all personal items such as suitcases or laptops or computers. We will be taxiing down the runway shortly. We need your cooperation on this in case we experience any turbulence. Morning, puppy. Bad weather. Sometimes, this time of year, we get into some wind, guys. And here we go. Here we go. Take off.